What's cracking? What a motherfucker do? I'm trying to know what's up with you. Okay, so I am doing a slightly tipsy Black Friday haul, drinking some Buzz Balls. The Choco Teas one is mad good. I have most of my packages from Black Friday, so I just want to get this out the way. Cheers. We're gonna start off with the Dolls Kill package because I never ordered anything off of Dolls Kills. Inside it says the holidays shop is now open. Happy holidays, 20% off my next order, and they gave me a code. So I'm gonna save that because with Christmas coming around and stuff, I don't know, maybe I want to order something for somebody off of there. But I have this box from Sugar Thrills. I love Sugar Thrills. I buy a lot of Sugar Thrills secondhand on Depop. So there's like a ton of it in my closet. This is the first time I bought something direct. Okay, so the shoe just slipped right out the bag, and it is this pink wedge with fur. I don't know, this is just very me, and I love big extra shoes, so I got these. I save these boxes for when I travel, so I'm definitely gonna put this somewhere, especially because it's a big box. I love the little holographic paper they put on the inside. Also, what do y'all think of my lips? I got my filler dissolved. There's a little bit stuck in the bottom of this lip. I don't know if it's scar tissue or filler that didn't dissolve, but I feel like I still look the same. I'm still gonna get filler. I don't give a fuck what bitches have to say to me, but there's absolutely none in my top lip. Some Depop sellers that I follow had flash sales for Cyber Monday, or Cyber Week, whatever people want to call it. So I got this. I'm not gonna tell you my secret of like what character exactly I be searching on Depop for styles, but I put this person's name and it's like a made-up character from a show, and I be finding like cute ass stuff that's like her aesthetic. So if you have anybody you like that dresses a certain way, search for it. But this is literally like a sheer shimmery like dress that's completely see-through, and it's definitely getting worn on New Year's. It smells so strong of perfume, but I think this is gonna be perfect for New Year's. I'm gonna wear pants, obviously, like jeans, and it's gonna be tucked in, but it's fucking fire as fuck. I got this package from Fashion Nova. I haven't shopped off Fashion Nova in forever, so I didn't really know what to expect. I really only checked their site on Black Friday. Oh my god, this curl in the middle of my head is pissing me the fuck off. It's giving Superman. But I forgot what I ordered from there. I was like 90% sure I didn't order anything from Fashion Nova, but apparently not. Oh, it's pink. Oh, it's not from Fashion Nova. It's from Depop. Okay, so yeah, this girl did a discount on bundles, and this is from Honey Bum is the brand. It's a terry cloth skirt with a top, and the girl had literally the same exact measurements as me, and it looked fire on her, so I'm so excited to try that on. And this is exactly why you need to ask for the seller's measurements when they model the clothes, because boom, snatched, it's giving bodycon, it's giving Barbie, it's really giving body yaddy 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 yaddy. And then it came with this skirt. I've been trying my hardest to find like a fitted tennis skirt kind of thing that actually like looks nice. So I think this is the front and this is the back, and I have an outfit that actually involves this skirt and those shoes that I've been dying to put on. I feel like the top and this skirt actually goes together really well, but this skirt was another win. I've been dying to get a tennis skirt that's actually fitted and like kind of cute. I got this from Depop as well. Pink purse. Again, it has something on the inside. Oh, I think these are earrings. I don't like little earrings at all, to be honest. Oh, they're hair clips. They're like tiny little flower hair clips. Hair clips are more useful as I'm like trying to start, you know, embracing the mess that is my slightly damaged curly hair. So, clips are useful. I would definitely use those. This is the bag. It's pink. And again, this is me searching that character aesthetic. I found this bag for dumb cheap. And, you know, it's not like the best quality ever, but it's cute. And it looks better in person. It has these shimmery silver stars on them, which is like giving bad bitch. And it's just the perfect size. So this is gonna be my New Year's bag that's gonna go with my outfit. I know my lighting right now is boo-boo and I look crazy, but I need to open this package immediately because my outfit depends on it, my future outfit, and I need to make sure these pants fit, because if they don't fit, I'm sending them to get exchanged tomorrow. I just got this package from Namilia and I wanted these pants so bad. I'm only concerned because my waist measurement fits the medium, but my butt size fits the large, but it said it was high stretch, so I got a medium. I'll say for a paper bag, the packaging is really sturdy. It just comes in this plain plastic wrap. I'm obviously gonna keep the tags on because I don't know if it's gonna fit. When I tell y'all this is the big ticket item, this was the big win. I am in love with these pants. First and foremost, I feel like I could have sized down possibly because the elastics on the waist were a little bit loose. But I don't mind that because I can wear thermal leggings underneath while it's cold out right now. And, you know, it'll still fit. The length is good. It goes past my ankles, which I love because I wear platforms so they won't look like high waters. They'll fall over my sneakers a little bit. And it's giving everywhere. Like, it fits me like a glove. It's super stretchy, and I'm very happy I sized down to the medium. They were very accurate when they said high stretch fabric, and I know I'm not wearing the nice right underwear, but you know, it'll look nice when I wear my little thong and whatever. I'm like really satisfied with these overall. I got them because I saw SZA wearing them, but I've been following this brand for so long. I'm just like, damn, I cannot afford to spend $120 on a pair of pants. So I'm glad I got them on Black Friday, and this is what it looks like at the ankles. But yeah, this is the last item. I hope y'all enjoyed this mini haul. I will catch you in my next video. I know I've been posting really short content, but quite frankly, like, it's taken me too long to put my long form videos out. So y'all are just getting what I'm giving, okay? I hope y'all like it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope whatever is going on with you, you're having a good morning, afternoon, evening, or night. Goodbye.